Imagine having a YouTube channel that's almost entirely automated and still manages to rake in views and revenue. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're turning that dream into reality. We're going to create an automated YouTube channel for inspirational quotes. And the best part? We're using AI and GPT for almost everything. From the generation of texts to the design of the videos, AI plays a huge role. Stay tuned to the end as I show you the secret tricks creators use AI to create an automated YouTube channel using ChatGPT and generate over $1 million in annual passive income. Before we dive in, I'll show you Profite Tools. This platform shows me the best AI bot tools that generate me a monthly income of over $10 key. Regardless of whether it's script writing, voices over, or video editing, every tool is included in Profite Tools. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and visit Profite Tools. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Step 1 is all about setting the foundation: your channel name and description. Let's use Chat to generate some creative names. First, we start with a suitable name for our motivations channel. If you have ChatGPT 4, then the chatbot can access the internet by using the plugin and give you the trendiest names for 2023. To do this, we simply use the plugin and search the internet, and write me 10 trendy names that will be trendy in 2023 for a motivational YouTube channel. Wow, look at these options. We've got names like QuoteQuest, InspireSphere, Wisdom Waves, and so on. These are all fantastic, but one name is really catching my eye: InspireVersy. It's catchy, it's relevant, and it's unique. That's the one we're going with. So, we've decided on InspireVersy as our channel name. It's catchy, it's relevant, and most importantly, it tells our audience exactly what they can expect: inspiration in various forms. Now that we have a name, let's also generate a description. Overall, it's like finding a name. We only use a new prompt for the description. Write an SEO-friendly description for these social media names. Your description should tell your audience what your channel is about and why they should subscribe. I'm going to copy this description and paste it into our YouTube channel settings. And just like that, our channel now has a name and a description that sets the stage for everything that follows. And there we have it. A beautifully crafted channel description that not only tells our audience what the channel is about, but also why they should be a part of our community. It is important to use a niche name in the name and description. An example would be Daily Motivation Quotes or Madame Oceans. Now that we've nailed down our channel name and description, it's time to make our channel visually appealing. That's right, we're talking about channel branding, specifically the banner and logo. Let's dive right in. I'm on Canva, a fantastic tool for all your graphic design needs. I'm going to start by selecting the YouTube banner template. Now, the first thing we need is a background. I'm going for a minimalist black background to keep the focus on the text. Next, we need a catchy caption for our banner. Let's head back to Chat for some creative ideas. I'm asking Chat to generate 5 YouTube channel banner captions that align with our theme of inspirational quotes. Look at these options. I particularly like the one that says, "Inspiring you, one quote at a time." Let's go with that. I'm pasting the caption onto our banner. You can play around with the font and size until it looks just right. Host voiceover, and there we have it, a professional-looking banner that's ready to be uploaded. But wait, we're not done yet. Every great channel needs a memorable logo. I've downloaded some images that could work well for our logo. Let's see how they look. This one looks perfect. It's simple, relevant, and eye-catching. Now let's head back to YouTube Studio to upload our new banner and logo. Click on the Customization tab, and you'll see options for uploading your banner and logo. And just like that, our channel's visual identity is complete. There you have it, folks. Our channel now not only has a name and a description, but also a stunning visual identity. We're well on our way to creating an amazing YouTube channel, and we're doing it all with the help of AI. We've got our channel set up, our branding is on point, and now it's time to get into the meat of our channel, the content. Specifically, we're going to generate the script for our first video, which will be a compilation of inspirational quotes. And guess what? We're using AI to do it. Here we are back at the chat interface. This time, we're going to ask it to generate 10 wise quotes that resonate with the younger generation. This will form the basis of our first video. If you have ChatGPT Pro, you can use the video caption plugin to insert an existing video and ask ChatGPT to write a new script with new wisdom. Using the plugin, we write the following in the text line, video script, and then the video URL. So ChatGPT initially knows in which style the video should be made. Then I use the following prompt. Write myself 10 more quotes like the video script above. Wow, look at these gems. Quotes like the road to success is paved with failures, not shortcuts, and your worth is not measured by likes and follows, are exactly what we need. These quotes are not just insightful, but also highly relatable to our target audience. They're perfect for our first video. Now that we have our quotes, let's structure them into a script. We'll add an introduction, transitions between quotes, and a conclusion to wrap it all up. I'm starting with a brief introduction that sets the tone for the video. Something like, "Welcome to Inspireversy, where we bring you wisdom in bite-sized pieces." Today, we have 10 quotes that every young person needs to hear. Next, we'll insert our quotes, and between each quote, we'll add a small transition. This could be a question to ponder, a quick fact, or even a moment of silence for the quote to sink in. Finally, let's wrap it up with a conclusion that encourages viewers to like, share, and subscribe. Something like, if you found value in these quotes, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more inspiration. And there we have it, a complete script for our first video. It's insightful, it's engaging, and best of all, it was generated with the help of AI. We've got our channel set up, branding is done, and we even have a script ready for our first video. Now, what's a video without a voice? That's right, it's time to generate our voiceover. Here we are on the Lovo AI platform. This tool is a lifesaver for anyone who needs high-quality voiceovers without hiring a professional voice actor. After you sign up, you have a 14 days free trial of Pro, which is more than enough for our first video. The first thing you'll notice is that you have a variety of voice types to choose from. For our inspirational quotes video, I think the Sean voice would be perfect. It's calm, clear, and has a certain gravitas, generating the voiceover. Now, let's paste our script into this text box. Make sure to include pauses or breaks where you want them. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click on Generate. And there you have it. Our voiceover is ready. You can preview it to make sure everything sounds just right. Listen to that.
In a world of instant gratification, patience becomes a superpower. Your worth isn't determined by likes and shares, but by the love and care you spread. Digital connections are instant, but real connections take time. Nurture both. In the age of information, ignorance is a choice. Choose wisely.
It sounds almost like a professional voice actor, doesn't it? The best part is, it took us just a few minutes to generate this voiceover, thanks to AI. Now, all that's left to do is download this audio file, and we're ready to move on to the next step, video editing. Just click on Download, and the audio file will be saved to your computer. And that's it. We now have a high-quality voice over ready to be paired with visuals in our first video. We're making great progress. We've got our channel set up, branding in place, a script, and even a voiceover. Now comes the part where we bring it all together, video editing. First up, we need a background for our video. I'm back on Canva, and I'm going to select the YouTube video template. For the background, I'm choosing a minimalist black design to keep the focus on the text and our character. Now, let's add some life to our video with a character. For this, we're using Leonardo.ai. This tool is fantastic for creating text-to-image characters. I'm going to ask it to create an image of an old Japanese man with a white beard and hair, holding an ancient book. Look at this. Our character looks amazing and adds a unique touch to our video. Now, let's head back to Canva to add our character and the quotes from our script. I'm positioning the character on one side and leaving space for our quotes on the other. But we're not stopping there. We're going to make our character speak using an AI tool called Hagen.com. After logging in, you'll see an option to upload a talking photo. Choose the character image we created. Now, paste the script generated by Chat and select the voice type. Since we already have a voiceover, we'll mute this later during the final editing.
In a world of instant gratification, patience becomes a superpower. Your worth isn't determined by likes and shares, but by the love and care you spread. Digital connections are instant, but real connections take time. Nurture both. In the age of information, ignorance is a choice.
We're on the home stretch now. We've got our channel set up. Branding is complete. We've got a script, a voiceover, and even a talking character in our video. But there's one more thing that can really boost viewer engagement: subtitles. Here we are on Veed.io, an excellent tool for adding subtitles, among other things. You'll need to sign up for an account if you haven't already. But don't worry, they offer a free plan. The first step is to upload our video. Click on Upload Video and select the video file we've been working on. Once the video is uploaded, you'll see an option on the left sidebar that says Subtitles. Click on that, and then click on Auto Transcribe. Veed.io will now automatically generate subtitles for our video. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Now that our subtitles are generated, it's a good idea to review them to make sure everything is accurate. You can click on each subtitle block to edit the text and timing. As you can see, the subtitles are pretty accurate, but it's always good to double check. You can also change the font, size, and position of the subtitles to better match your video's aesthetic. Now that we're happy with our subtitles, it's time to download the video. Click on Export in the top right corner, and Veed.io will render the video with the subtitles. Once the video is rendered, click on Download to save it to your computer. Our video is almost ready to go live. We've got the channel set up, branding script, voiceover, video editing, and even subtitles. But before we hit that upload button, there's one more crucial element we need. Here we are back in Canva, a tool we've been using throughout this journey. This time, we're going to select the YouTube thumbnail template. For the background, I'm thinking of using a gradient color that matches our channel's theme. Let's go with a gradient of blue and purple. Now, we need some text that grabs attention. The title of our video is 10 quotes every young person needs to hear, so let's use that as our main text element. I'm going to make the text bold and increase the size so that it's easily readable, even on smaller screens. To make our thumbnail even more appealing, let's add some visual elements. How about a small icon of a quote, mark, and maybe a light bulb to signify inspiration? Finally, let's add our channel logo in one corner to maintain brand consistency and download it as a PNG format. Now, we get the final stretch. We've got our channel set up, branding is complete. We've got a script, a voiceover, video editing, subtitles, and even an eye-catching thumbnail. Now it's time to upload our masterpiece to YouTube and make sure people can find it. Let's get started. Here we are in YouTube Studio. To upload a video, simply click on the Create button at the top right corner and select Upload Video. Now, locate the video file on your computer and upload it. While the video is uploading, let's fill in the basic information. For the title, let's use something SEO friendly that also grabs attention. How about 10 life-changing quotes every young person needs to hear? Next, let's paste the description we generated earlier with Chatch. Make sure to include any relevant links and a call to action to subscribe. Don't forget to upload the thumbnail we created. Just click on Upload Thumbnail and select the thumbnail file. Now, for the part that can really make or break your video's success SEO. We're going to use Chatch to generate some SEO-friendly keywords and tags. I'm asking Chatch to generate 10 SEO-friendly keywords that are relevant to our video's content. Look at these keyword suggestions. Terms like inspirational quotes, life advice, and motivation for youth are perfect for our video. Let's go back to YouTube Studio and add these keywords to our video tags. Lastly, make sure to select the appropriate video category and add any end screens or cards to promote other content or actions. And that's it. Our video is now live, complete with an SEO-friendly title, description, and tags to help it get the visibility it deserves. This has been an incredible journey, and I hope you found this guide useful. Remember, the tools and AI we used can be applied to various types of content, not just inspirational quotes. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.